Did you know that this dirty filter could actually void your HVAC warranty? I didn't know that. Most people don't know that. But HVAC techs are now required to send in pictures of your coils before they can perform the warranty. If your coils are clogged because you haven't been changing your air filters, that'll actually void your warranty. The new HVAC system runs $5,000 to $15,000, or if you're like me and you have two in your house, that could be a $30,000 claim that is going to be voided because of improper maintenance. An air filter obviously costs a fraction of that. The math is simple. AirTerra subscription means that these filters come right to your door every 3 months, so you don't have to worry about it and your warranty stays intact. Check it out, airterra.com.